Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and power. Back up to iCloud or a computer, and make sure the phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Once backed up, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network because updates are large and mobile data may be blocked. Then open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update to let the device search. This initiates the process and shows the exact version and download size so you know what will install. You tap Download and Install, and if asked, enter your passcode to authorize the action. While the update downloads, keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and power. Interruptions can corrupt the download and force a restart. Once the download completes, the screen shows Install Now or Schedule. Choose Install Now to proceed immediately or pick a later time overnight. The phone will prepare and then reboot itself. Make sure you don't attempt heavy use during this phase. You let the iPhone complete its reboot and follow any post-install prompts, such as signing back into Apple ID or updating apps. If the update fails, first reboot the phone and free at least a few % of storage. Large updates often need extra temporary space, and then retry the download. If problems persist, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and update through Finder or iTunes. That method bypasses some over-the-air issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.